Grammy-nominated Senegalese American artist Akon has solidified his status as a global music icon, leaving a lasting impact on both the international music scene and the African music movement. Known for his fusion of pop, R&B, hip-hop and EDM, Akon has sold 35 million albums worldwide and gained a massive following of over 130 million. His illustrious career includes 5 Grammy nominations, 45 Billboard Hot 100 hits, and more than 300 collaborations with music legends such as Michael Jackson, David Guetta, and Eminem. Akon's groundbreaking achievements include making history by holding both the number 1 and number 2 spots on the Billboard Hot 100 simultaneously on 2 occasions. He has earned numerous accolades including a Billboard Music Award, an American Music Award, and a Guinness World Record for top-selling ringtones. He was also the first artist to reach 1 billion views on YouTube. Beyond his musical achievements, Akon has launched superstars like T-Pain and Lady Gaga through his Convict label, generating over $2.5 billion in revenue. His upcoming anthem, Akon's Beautiful Day, which promotes resilience and hope, has already garnered over 6 million views on Instagram. Akon is dedicated to philanthropy through his Akon Lighting Africa project, which has provided solar-powered electricity to 14 African countries, transforming the lives of millions. Akon arrived in Shillong on the 14th of November 2024 ahead of his much-anticipated performance at the annual Cherry Blossom Festival set to take place on the 15th of November 2024 at Madan Kurkalang, Bhoirymbong in Ri Bhoi District. The performance will see Akon share the stage with renowned acts such as Boney M, Jasleen Royal, Lucas and several local artists. The festival promises to blend captivating music with the beauty of cherry blossoms while celebrating Japan as the partner country, marking a special cultural connection.